Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to build a product waitlist in Shopify. A waitlist can help you manage customer demand for products that are out of stock or about to be launched. It can also generate excitement and anticipation before a product drops, creating a buzz around your store. To start building your waitlist, first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you need to access the Apps section. If you haven't already, you may want to install an app that offers waitlist functionality. There are several apps available on Shopify that allow you to create a waitlist for your products. Some popular choices include Back in Stock, Pre-Order Manager, or Waitlist by Secomap. Once installed, follow the setup instructions provided by the app. After the app is installed, you'll need to enable the waitlist feature for your desired products. Head over to the product page in your Shopify admin and scroll down to the product details section. Here, you'll see options to enable the waitlist functionality. You'll need to activate the feature and customize it according to your preferences. Some apps let you choose a custom message for customers to see when they join the waitlist. Next, customize the email notification that customers will receive once they join the waitlist. This is a critical part of the process as it keeps your customers informed and excited about when the product will be available. Most apps will allow you to include a message like, "Thank you for joining the waitlist. You'll be notified when this product is back in stock." Once your waitlist is set up, customers can easily sign up for notifications. They'll simply enter their email address or other required information, and when the product becomes available, they'll receive an alert letting them know they can now purchase it. In addition to building a waitlist, it's important to promote the waitlist on your store's homepage or via social media. Make sure customers know about the waitlist before they visit the product page. By actively promoting it, you'll ensure you have a steady stream of interest from potential buyers. In conclusion, building a product waitlist in Shopify is a great way to create anticipation and increase sales. When products are back in stock, it helps you manage customer expectations, keep them engaged, and ensure a smooth transition when restocking popular items. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.